Take a ride in the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release, front wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.